Have you ever pondered what the future of finance might look like? Subscribe to Crypto News. Stay ahead of the market with insider updates with the Crypto King. As we rocket into 2024, the financial industry is transforming at lightning speed. Cryptocurrencies are no longer the stuff of a distant digital future. They're here, and they're shifting the way we think about money. From the rise of Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, or ETFs, which are bridging the gap between traditional finance and digital currencies, to the pioneering role of platforms like Coinbase, the landscape is changing. And let's not forget the tokenization of real-world assets, a game changer that's set to democratize investing in everything from real estate to bonds. Bitcoin ETFs are making headlines, and for good reason. The financial market is abuzz with a surge of interest in these investment vehicles, with big names like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest leading the charge. With over 10 applications in play, we're witnessing an exciting shift in the investment landscape. This growing interest in Bitcoin ETFs is not without substance. Experts are predicting potential inflows of billions of dollars over the next 5 years. Think about that for a moment. Billions of dollars flowing into the crypto industry from traditional finance avenues. That's not just a trickle, it's a torrent. But how does this work? Well, ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment funds traded on stock exchanges. Bitcoin ETFs allow investors to gain exposure to Bitcoin without actually having to buy or store the cryptocurrency themselves. It's an enticing proposition for those wanting to dip their toes in the crypto waters without fully diving in. The US Securities and Exchange Commission, or the SEC, plays a pivotal role in this unfolding drama. Their approval of a spot Bitcoin ETF application could set a landmark precedent, opening the floodgates for more such applications. And let's not forget the impact this could have on the crypto industry at large. With the approval of Bitcoin ETFs, we're not just talking about a growth in investment. We're talking about a bridge being built between traditional finance and cryptocurrencies. As Bitcoin ETFs bridge the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrencies, the doors are opening for institutional capital and new users to enter the crypto industry. This is more than a rise, it's a revolution. Coinbase, a key player in the crypto world, is set to play a pivotal role in this new financial landscape. As the chosen custodian for numerous ETF applications, Coinbase has positioned itself as a key influencer in cryptocurrency investments. Its role extends beyond simply being a platform for buying and selling digital assets. Coinbase is leaning into the future, investing in scalable infrastructure for digital assets through its innovative Base blockchain. This commitment to infrastructure signals a strong belief in the long-term potential of cryptocurrencies and a dedication to providing a robust platform for the industry to grow. But Coinbase's influence doesn't stop there. It's not just about the technology, it's about the trust. As institutional adoption of crypto assets increases, so does the need for reliable, secure custodianship. Coinbase, with its established reputation and commitment to security, provides that trust. It's a beacon of stability in a market known for its volatility, a safe harbor for both seasoned investors and new entrants alike. Coinbase's expanding role and influence enhances market stability and boosts investor confidence. Tokenization of real-world assets is the next game changer in the financial world. Imagine a world where real estate, bonds, and even precious works of art are tokenized, their value represented by digital tokens on a blockchain. This is not a far-off fantasy, but a reality being shaped as we speak. Tokenization has the potential to revolutionize investing, making it more accessible and liquid. It democratizes investment, allowing anyone with internet access to invest in assets that were once exclusive to the wealthy or institutional investors. Let's take real estate as an example. By tokenizing property, we can break down barriers and make property investing more accessible. You no longer need to buy an entire building or land parcel. Instead, you can buy a fraction, a token representing a portion of the property. This increased liquidity can also speed up transactions, potentially reshaping the real estate industry as we know it. But it's not just about real estate. Bonds, commodities, and even intellectual property can be tokenized, creating a world where all assets can be traded freely and transparently on blockchain platforms. This could fundamentally change the banking system, shaking up centuries-old practices and opening up a world of possibilities. The integration of Bitcoin ETFs, Coinbase's strategic initiatives, and real-world asset tokenization are shaping a new investment landscape. This landscape is dynamic, inclusive, and primed for the future. It's a world where traditional and digital assets coexist, creating a global market that is more accessible and transparent than ever before. These developments are not just changing the way we invest, but they are also creating a significant impact on the global market. The burgeoning interest in Bitcoin ETFs, with major players like BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Invest throwing in their hats, is bridging the gap between traditional finance and cryptocurrencies. This could potentially usher in billions of dollars into the cryptocurrency market over the next 5 years. Coinbase's expanding role as a custodian and trading platform is not to be underestimated. Its strategic initiatives are positioning it as a key influencer in cryptocurrency investments, enhancing market stability and bolstering investor confidence. Let's not forget the tokenization of real-world assets like real estate and bonds. This revolutionary development is democratizing investment in markets that were once exclusive, making them more accessible and liquid. It has the potential to reshape industries from real estate to banking and everything in between. All these factors combined are shaping a new investment landscape that merges the traditional with the digital. The fusion of traditional and digital assets is fostering a dynamic and accessible global market, paving the way for a future where finance is more open, inclusive, and innovative.